I was able to understand what exactly agentic AIs are.
About the workshop, I think it was lightweighted and it spoke to the point.
Also, the hands-on part was something like it was very helpful.
Hi, my name is Neeraj Dugar. I work for Shell Energy India. I'm a technology enthusiast and an AI enthusiast. And this is the reason I'm here for this session arranged by Capabl India. It was a great session. This was my first time getting encountered with the Agentic AI. And I'm very happy that I was here. I was able to understand what exactly Agentic AIs are.
My name is Prachi and I've been working with Capabl since 2.5 years. And I'm working in the capacity of Associate Product Manager currently. Yeah, I would call it was nice. It was good one, interactive. That was the best part. Also, the hands-on part was something like it was very helpful. We could understand things and ask our doubts wherever we were stuck. That was nice.
I am Neha. I come from a software development background wherein developing various stacks coming from JavaScript to legacy systems. About the workshop, I think it was lightweighted and it spoke to the point. And for somebody who's kept hearing about what AI can do, from me doing it today, like hands-on, it felt like it's really fast for me as a developer to like quickly get onto it and start my next chapter. And I'm very soon planning to make one tool for myself that makes my job easier as a developer.
I'm Apekshit. I'm the co-founder of Taylor Talk, which is an AI sales and customer service automation platform. So I was shared about this program from a friend who said that this could be a great place for us to understand AI agents and how we can implement them in our organization. I think this is going to be a real revolution wherein organizations and smaller startups can basically scale very quickly at a very low cost. I think it can democratize wealth creation at this point.
Well, I think it's the hands-on part which makes it very practical. Of course, YouTube, all the online courses are there. But the discipline, I think you will only have when there is an instructor in front of you and the person will guide you to do the hands-on. That's where the discipline comes in and that's where you will be able to perform as well.
Talking and being able to ask your doubts right at the moment when you get them is, I think, priceless. Like, that is how I learned. So I think it was a good session. Yes, the YouTube videos are helpful, but the sessions like these are also very helpful.
So yeah, all thanks to Capabl for giving this opportunity to us.